You want to go over some of these things again? Huh?
Sure.
Oh. Camera's on too.
Huh?
Camera is on. Alright, so make sure that when you're not actually shooting it, keep the bolt open. Okay. Do you remember all the firearm safety rules? The 4 important ones? What are they? What's number 1?
Treat all guns as if they are loaded.
There you go. What's number 2? Don't touch the trigger unless you're ready to fire. What's number 3?
Like, make sure nothing like the person isn't behind it when you're shooting.
Yeah, well, all the way from the tip of the muzzle all the way miles and miles out. Just act like it's a laser. Anything that you're pointing that muzzle at or covering with that muzzle can be immediately killed at any time. Okay?
Then also when like you're done shooting, point it towards your bow.
Yeah. So what I want you to do, because of the way that it is and it being a bolt action, is when you're done, I want you to hold it level. Okay. You're gonna eject the shell and then point it down. Okay. And when I mean down, don't point it down at like somebody's feet or at the vehicle, or basically down at the dirt. Do you want to hear the official 4th one?
Okay.
I'm reading them off of the thing. I can print them out for you, maybe, and you can like keep them in your room or whatever. Be sure of your target and its surroundings. To me, I kind of keep that one as the same thing as the 3rd one. Is that you want to know what's around your target. You freezing?
Yeah, this jacket's like really thin. And it's like really cold now because it's fall.
So what we do today? You gonna tell them what we did today? I think people are probably watching.
We went hiking and there's a lot. We got attacked by spiders, and there's like spiders like on me and like.
I wouldn't say attack. We walked through some spider webs.
And
there was only one that was on you.
I know. I started screaming.
All right. You want to do this or what?
Mhm.
All right. So take your hoodie off and put your ears on. There, you can carry the ammo. I'll carry the rifle. We'll walk up to the front of the truck. You coming? All right. So there's our target, way over there. How far do you think that is, Booger? How far do you think that is? It's probably like 50 feet, maybe 60 feet. Did you bring the ammo? Did you bring the ammo? Alright, so look, we can make use of the truck. Alright, you gonna do this? You remember how to do this? How long has it been since you shot this thing?
About like 3 months. I don't know.
Maybe 4 months? Alright, here. Remember, if you do something wrong, I'm gonna yell at you. Make sure you keep your finger off of that trigger, okay? And hold it up here a little bit more. Hold it up here. There you go. Alright, now point it down. Now here you go. You gotta hit this target on the first try, okay? Don't put it into your shoulder right there. There you go. And then move your thumb, because
I can't like see the.
see the what?
Like.
Why? How can you not? Hold on, let me put these rounds down. How can you not see it? See, look. You put it up to your shoulder, okay? You put your head down there, okay? Okay?
Okay. Do I get?
Here, I'll get it. Here, come on. I want you to stand right there. Don't move off of that spot. Alright, point the front of the gun down. Put the muzzle down. There you go. No, what eye are you using? Use this eye, Booger. Close the left eye. Keep that right eye open. You didn't hit it. Alright, eject that round, or that shell. Point the muzzle down.
I
Stay
can't
right there.
see it.
You can't see it? Well, you want to try looking through it a few times just to actually see what you're doing? Here, look. I'll make it all the way safe. Take the bolt out. Alright, here, look. So hold it up. Here, watch your old man. Alright, look. You put this in your shoulder. Then you get down here and you look through the peephole. See the front sight, okay? Bam. How can you not see it? Here, let me see. What eye are you using? Do it. How do you not see it? You can't see right through there? And see the front?
I think I can see that. I don't
Keep
know.
that eye shut. Alright, go. Can you see the front target? Alright. Put your eye protection on. Pew pew pew. You want to use mine? Huh? You alright? Alright, stand on the X. Here, hold on. Get you around. You better get that thing on that target. Okay? Remember, close that left eye. Get that right eye open, okay? And hold it steady. Can you see the target? Mm-hmm. Through the hole, put the front sight on the target. This rear hole, the rear sight, it should be kind of blurry, okay? All you should see clearly is that front sight, and the target should be blurry too. You okay? You got it. You wanna know what you did? Huh?
Every time I shoot, I would move it.
Well, because this is what you did. You had your finger up here, which is good practice, okay? But once you're on a target and you know you're gonna shoot, okay? You like know that there's nothing in the way and nothing behind it. You can put your finger down there, okay? And then wait until you're lined up and then pull the trigger, okay? Because you went from here to here, and when you did that, you moved the gun. You lost your aim when you moved it. Alright, put the front of that gun down. You're holding it the wrong way. There you go. I want you to always keep your right hand on the grip, okay? Get your thumb off of that, get your thumb off of that. There you go. Now, you can put your finger on that trigger. It's not going to just shoot it until you pull it, okay? And then line it up, and then once you're ready, pull the trigger, okay? That was low. Let me show you how to do it. Pew, pew, pew. Alright, leave that open. Let me get on the X. You need to move the target closer? We can move it a little bit closer. Huh?
Sure.
Or if we can go up there a little bit more if you want.
Okay.
How about we go up there?
What about over here?
No, let's go a little bit closer than that.
Over here?
No. Well, you don't want to get too close because you're shooting metal with lead, so it might ricochet a little bit, but it's almost... Alright, stay right... How about right here? Right there, okay? Grab the gun with your right hand. I want your left hand up there, okay? And your right hand, I want it to be on the grip. Alright, here you go. Point it down. Yeah, nobody's watching you. Nobody's watching you. Alright, do it. You got this, okay? Take your time, okay? What are you doing? Oh, you missed it. Alright, stay right there. I'll go get you another round. Keep that gun point down, okay? From here, you should be able to see it and hit it really easy, okay? Grab that camera. Grab the camera. Okay, from here you should be able to, should be pretty easy. You just gotta focus, okay? Center right there. Here you go. Put the front of the gun down. There you go. Now just keep it steady, and then whenever you're ready. You're not getting your sights lined up. What do you, when you look through here and you see that front sight, what does it look like?
Like it's like kind of blurry, and then like there's a little orange.
A little orange? Alright, well look, here's what it's gonna look like. Alright.
It's facing the wrong way.
What is?
Camera.
No, that's fine. Look, alright, I'm drawing you a picture. Alright, look. So, no, leave it be. Okay, here's the rear sight, okay? It's a circle, okay? Let me pull the branch out. The front sight, you're only going to see like that much of it, okay? And then I want you to put the front sight in the middle of that target, okay? Not low, not high. Put the front sight, the top of this front sight in the middle of the target, okay? And then hold it real steady. If you hold it and look through that sight, you'll watch that your sight's going to be moving around because that front of the gun's going to be moving a little bit, okay? So that's why you want to steady yourself. Right now we're not going to worry about breathing, but steady yourself. Don't be like, because then you're going to notice it's moving. But just breathe normal, keep yourself steady, and then whenever that sight is in the middle of it, pull that trigger, okay? Copy? You understand that? You want a better picture? Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, stand on that X. Grab that piece. Put the front of that gun down a little bit. There you go. You got this one, okay? You're gonna get it. You've got it many times before. Okay. Can you get your face down there low enough or not? Yeah, told you you'd get it. Here, you gotta get another one and hit it.
I can smell it.
Smells like freedom? What's it smell like? That's the smell of freedom. Even though it's pink freedom. Yeah. Alright, one more. You hit it, then we're backing back up, okay? You better hit it with this one. No pressure. Yeah. Alright. So now, when somebody's with you, okay, when you point the gun down and turn, I want you to turn the opposite way that I walk, okay? So if I turn around and I walk this way, I want you to take this gun and you turn around this way, okay? Alright, go. So walk back to the truck. Point it down a little bit more. There you go. Alright, get on that X and let's get this done. Which way are you going to turn now? There you go. Alright. You got to get this in the first try, okay? You got it. It's easy. You got this. Yeah. Alright, get this other one and then we'll walk down there and look at the target. Man, don't be scared. You didn't roll. There you go. Alright. Hold on. Grab the camera. Alright, let's go look at the target. Alright. Let's take a look at it. Hold on, look at the camera. Hold on. Alright, so here, let me get my pointer. Alright, so all these fresh places where the paint's been taken off is where you've been hitting it. Okay, so one there, there, maybe two there. So that's where we've been hitting it. So what you want to do, here, take your ear protection off so you can hear me.
Okay.
Can you hear me at all or what? Take it off. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to get a group, which, like here, see how these three shots are all in one little area and those two actually are touching each other? That's the goal, is to get where you can actually control the firearm enough to get your rounds in the same area, because at a longer distance, hitting up here and hitting up here is going to be a huge increase in the amount of space between those rounds hitting. So what the goal is to, even at a longer distance, to get them in a nice group. It's hard to do. Once you get better with a rifle, it'll be easy, but with a pistol, it's still really hard for me. What do you want to do? You want to shoot it some more or what? You want me to shoot it or what do you want to do? Huh?
My gun?
You want to shoot your gun?
Sure.
We need an actual target, but this is good. It provides feedback. You hear it when you hit it, you know, it goes bing, ding. What noise does it make?
Ding.
Alright, let's go. Where are you going?
You want me to entertain them for a moment?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
How are you entertaining them?
I don't know. I'm not that good at entertaining people.
Well, what are you doing? Did you talk to them or tell them a joke? Why don't you tell them a joke?
Okay,
Look at the camera. Tell them something funny.
how do you make a tissue dance?
I don't know how you do
You put a little boogie in it.
it. Get over to the X.
This one?
Yeah.
No, I just pinched my finger.
Put a little boogie in it. Alright, here you go. Other hand. Other hand. There you go. Yeah. Get some. Here you go. Did you go high or low?
Higher?
You know what I'm saying? Like, did the round go above the target or below it?
Above?
Okay. Make your necessary corrections. Yeah. Boom! What you got? Alright, let me get it. Hold this. Well, don't pick it up. Leave it there. Alright, so we got one stuck. We're going to get it out.
How do we get it out?
I'm going to use a screwdriver. Well, don't drop it. Don't drop it.
The bullets?
Yeah. What did I tell you, booger?
I'm clumsy.
Yeah, because you're holding them like they're toys. They're not toys. Let me see it. How many did you drop?
2.
You know how hard it is to get ammo? Alright, here, watch. Oh, that one's getting stuck in there too. Alright, here's what we're gonna do.
Can you see through these?
They're mirrored, so look at it in the mirror on the truck. Here, open that door and get me the screwdriver that's in the cup holder.
The front one?
Yeah. Don't be messing with it. Just give it to me. Alright, so something's keeping them stuck in there. I have to put the bolt in. Yeah. See how that one's coming out? What happens is when you shoot it, this brass, it expands and it's staying in there a little bit. But looks like it's good. Alright, you want to shoot it? Alright, here goes. Go to the X. Which hand is it in? You alright? Did you pinch your finger?
Thank you.
I hear an aeroplane. Oh, fumble. You alright? Hold on. Pull it back. Pull it. Alright, put it forward. There you go. Oh, it's in there. Alright, put it forward. No, put the bolt forward. Knock it down. Try to get it out again. Alright, hold on. Point the gun down. Hey, pay attention to what you're doing, not me. But that is good. You still do gotta watch out a little bit for what's going on around you. Alright, here, let me get this one. go look at that target. Grab the camera.
Can you take the camera?
Yeah.
Hello.
It's almost time for some lunch.
What time is it?
Sandwiches in a minute?
Sure.
You hungry?
No, not really. But okay.
Well, what do you think? Huh?
Where did I hit it?
Anywhere that there's a mark could have been where you hit it. I mean, we don't. Without bringing spray paint and painting it every time we shoot it, it's hard to tell unless you remember. All right, the old man's gonna shoot it with his gun.
Okay. With your gun?
Yeah.
Is that going to be loud?
I'm gonna shoot with my .22 rifle, so now. Ooh, look.
Coke bottle?
All right, go look that way. No, go back to the truck. Here, come to the back.
What is it?
Come to the back.
Oh! There's a
What?
bug.
Where?
Right there.
Ew, it blew away. Look. Christmas time. Alright, let's go up here. You recording?
Yep.
Alright, where are you gonna stand?
Right there?
Right over there.
Here, camera.
Well, if you stand right here, stand right here. And then you can still see me and the target, probably. Where's that Pepsi bottle at? Coke bottle. Oh,
It fell.
over. Well, this time the magazine works. The last few times I was having problems with the magazine feeding. You want to shoot this one? It's kind of long for you. All right. You want to eat, or what do you want to do?
We could eat.
All right.
Bye.
Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.